That was a very wet. We survived. And we're back. This is my cardigan. Isn't it cute? And my little baby tee. Oh, my nipples are nippling. Excuse you. You're welcome. My CN belt that I don't think I ever showed you. This is an amazing vintage CN belt I got at one of my honey holes. Don't look at my nipple. And my Star Trek earrings. And these, look at these earrings. They're little cats. Look at them. Look at them. They're so cute. And this was just a little ball. Let's have a drink. Oh, eyes are bothering me today. I think it's allergies or this eye makeup. I'm not really sure. I think I got eyeliner in my eye. Maybe that's what it is. And I keep forgetting. I do wipe my... I think it got on my contact. Cheers. This is before. That rumbled my groin. The groin rumbler.